Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Gina. I'm here to share with you my project for the 2023-24 Graphic 45 Brand Ambassador Call. I used the Graphic 45 Voyage Beneath the Sea stamps 1 and 2. This is just a few of my favorite ones. And this is my project submission. This also was one of the Graphic 45 stamps in the set. I stamped it several times and heat embossed it, and then I went in and colored it and layered it to give it some dimension. This was in the Ephemera Queen packet with some of the other pieces you'll see on the cover. Here's one of the photo corners. I used some little gems that looked like bubbles. It's held closed with a clothespin. On the spine, I made a dangly charm. Has little safety pins with bells, some little seashells. And on the back cover, I also fussy cut a lot of her out. She's also in the stamp set. This is from Ephemera Queen pack. So is the little heart down here. So is the image behind her. And this is the little mermaid. She's on the other side of the closure. Here's her as a stamp. So the clothespin, you just remove it. The whole book was made using this large die. I cut the chipboard for the base. And on the first page, as you can see, I used lots of Graphic 45 dies. I have corner punch from one of their sets. This page pulls out. You have a tag with a frame. And then you have another tag. We'll flip through and then we'll come back and pull the rest of the pages out. So as you can see, I used the tag to make the whole book. And then I used the large tag to make the pages and the smaller tag to make the little tags in the book. So our next page pulls out. We have a tag, lots of stamping. Our third page. Little frame. And I will have a full tutorial up on my YouTube channel. This is one of my favorite stamp sets from Graphic 45. And the last page. Oops. Another frame. And another tag pulls out on the last page. I did some heat embossing. Then you put it all back together. You grab your mermaid. You put her on. I hope you enjoyed my project. Thank you for watching.